Mastering research ethics standards. Integrity, respect, and responsibility are the only shields that protect research from its darkest potential. Which essential principles of research ethics guide our operations and serve as the foundation for maintaining the highest standards of integrity, respect, and responsibility in our research endeavors? The principles of research ethics serve as the cornerstone for upholding the highest standards of integrity, respect, and responsibility in research endeavors. These principles guide our operations and ensure that our research pursuits are conducted with the utmost excellence, reliability, and accountability. First and foremost, integrity is a fundamental principle that underpins all research endeavors. It encompasses honesty, transparency, and accuracy in the collection, analysis, and reporting of research data. Researchers must ensure that their work is free from fabrication, falsification, and plagiarism, and that they take responsibility for any errors or inaccuracies that may arise. Maintaining data integrity involves ensuring that data is accurately recorded, stored, and reported, and that any deviations or discrepancies are addressed in a transparent and timely manner. Respect for human subjects is another essential principle of research ethics. Researchers must prioritize the rights, dignity, and well-being of participants, and ensure that they are not subjected to harm, exploitation, or coercion. This involves obtaining informed consent from participants, ensuring that they understand the purpose, risks, and benefits of the study, and that they are free to withdraw from the study at any time. Researchers must also ensure that participant data is kept confidential and anonymous, and that any risks associated with the study are minimized and mitigated. Respect for animal subjects is also critical in research ethics. Researchers must ensure that animal subjects are treated with care and respect, and that their welfare is prioritized throughout the research process. This involves adhering to guidelines and regulations governing animal research, minimizing animal suffering, and using alternative methods whenever possible. In addition to respecting human and animal subjects, researchers must also respect the intellectual property rights of others. This involves ensuring that original ideas, theories, and findings are accurately attributed, and that plagiarism is avoided. Researchers must also respect the confidentiality and privacy of others, including research collaborators, participants, and colleagues. Responsibility is another key principle of research ethics. Researchers must take responsibility for their actions and decisions throughout the research process, and be accountable for any errors or irregularities that may arise. This involves being transparent about the research process, including the methodology, data collection, and analysis, and being open to scrutiny and critique. Fairness and justice are also essential principles of research ethics. Researchers must ensure that their work is free from bias, discrimination, and stereotyping, and that the rights and dignity of all individuals are respected. This involves ensuring that research participants are selected fairly and without bias, and that the benefits of the research are distributed equitably. Accountability is another critical principle of research ethics. Researchers must be accountable for their actions and decisions, and be willing to take responsibility for any errors or irregularities that may arise. This involves being transparent about the research process, including the methodology, data collection, and analysis, and being open to scrutiny and critique. Finally, researchers must adhere to relevant laws, regulations, and guidelines governing research ethics. This includes obtaining necessary approvals and permits, complying with reporting requirements, and adhering to standards for research conduct. In conclusion, the principles of research ethics provide a framework for maintaining the highest standards of integrity, respect, and responsibility in research endeavors. By upholding these principles, researchers can ensure that their work is conducted with excellence, reliability, and accountability, and that the rights and dignity of all individuals are respected.